TRUMPF is globally a laser punching and bending machine manufacturer, which is from Germany, and we are the leading manufacturers of all these three technologies. The machine which you are seeing over here is a True Laser 1030 fiber machine, which is having a laser source of a 3 kilowatt as a optional one. If you see this machine dimensions, it is with a table dimensions are with a 3 meter by 1.5 meter. This machine can cut up to 20 mm of ms and 12 mm of ss, and also it can cut aluminium, copper and brass. That is the best part of this machine. And if you what you are seeing it now is a auto pallet changer. This machine is carrying a two pallets, which is one is called as a and one is called as a B. When the operation is getting done on a pallet A, you can put your products on pallet B, and you can save the time of switch over and change of products. Now what you are saying is a changing of pallet. Also here we have kept few parts over here, wherein you can cut you can see the quality of the parts which we have cut on this machine. This is here we have tried to show all types of parts, which is a copper, brass, stainless steel, mild steel, and as well as aluminium. Looking at the machine, you can get it is absolutely a one box machine, wherein everything is a part as a one box of this machine. And now coming down to True Disc. This is the heart of the machine, wherein the laser beam is generated, and with the yellow cable which you see on the top of this laser source, that is called as a laser light cable, through which the laser beam comes and it is given to this machine, which enables to cut the material like ms, ss, aluminium, copper and brass. So, and we are a pioneer in the technology of True Disc, and it's being we have a long experience in manufacturing of the True Disc laser sources. It is around 17 years we are manufacturing the True Disc source, and we are getting a very good response in this exhibition as far as the Indian market is concerned. This is a punching machine from TRUMPF. This is called as a True Punch 1000. In True Punch 1000 we have a two kinds of machine, small format as well as a medium format. In a small format, the table dimensions are 2050 millimeters by 1250 millimeters. It is the basic machine from TRUMPF as far as the punching technology is concerned. The best part, there are lot of things which distinguish TRUMPF from the other punching machine manufacturers. The first is a linear magazine. If you see ours, for this I will specifically talk about this machine. This machine we have a 17 tool holders, wherein the 15 tools you can mount as well as the 2 clamps you can mount, which also comes with the optional third clamp with the 14 tools. And the best part is all these tools are auto indexable tools, which means also they rotate, all tools rotate in 360 degree. So which is also helpful for the perforation sheets, and also to do a lot of complicated jobs as far as the punching machine is concerned. The capacity of this machine, it can punch about maximum up to 6.4 mm of ms, ss, and such kind of material. Now the also very important part about the TRUMPF machine is a power consumption. If you see, the power consumption of this machine is also very less as compared to the other punching machine manufacturers. And also if you see the table of this machine, it is a brush table which helps to get the product like a scratch free product. You can get it, and that is also loading unloading aid also we have with a balls which comes up when the machine sheet has to be loaded on the machine. So also it's a lot of automation you can do with this product, with sheet master and all that. There are a lot of provisions you can do it. If you come down from smaller format to medium format, only the difference would be in a table size. Now I would like to show you few parts over here, which we have shown it here. You can do a bending of up to 25 mm height and 55 mm length. That also the best part about this machine. So, and lot of things are simplified because of our punching machine, and we are so far we are very successful in selling this machine in globally as well as particularly in India as well. Thank you.